Java Array Interview Questions and Answers for Freshers. Arrays are fundamental data structures in Java, used to store a collection of elements of the same data type. Here are some common interview questions for freshers. Basic concepts. What is an array in Java? An array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in contiguous memory locations. How do you declare and initialize an array in Java? Declaration, datatype array name. Initialization, array name equals new datatype size, or datatype array name equals element 1, element 2. What are the different ways to access elements of an array? Using the index, starting from 0. Array operations. How do you find the length of an array? Use the length property, ArrayName.length. What is the difference between a single-dimensional array and a multi-dimensional array? Single-dimensional stores elements in a single row. Multi-dimensional stores elements in multiple rows and columns. How do you copy one array to another? Use the system.arrayCopy method or the clone method. Array manipulation. How do you sort an array in Java? Use the arrays.sort method. How do you search for an element in an array? Linear search, iterate through the array and compare each element. Binary search, requires a sorted array and divides the search space in half. What is an array out of bounds exception? It occurs when you try to access an element at an index that is outside the valid range, 0 to length, 1. Advanced topics. What is the difference between a fixed size array and a dynamic array, ArrayList? Fixed size, the size is fixed after creation. Dynamic array, can resize automatically. How do you create a generic array in Java? Java does not support generic arrays directly, but you can use a generic list to achieve similar functionality. What is an enhanced for loop? For each loop. A simplified way to iterate over elements of an array or collection.